I have clients who come to me all the time, or potential clients, who have a great misconception about the words hostile work environment. They think wrongly that what that means is if your boss is a bully or a jerk, or it's a difficult work environment, or you disagree with your work assignments, or you feel like you're being intimidated or treated poorly, that there's this legal claim called hostile work environment, which there really isn't. What you have to show to establish discrimination based on a hostile work environment under federal and state law in Colorado is that there's some connection, some nexus between discrimination and the way you're being treated that creates this hostility in the workplace. You have to show some nexus between your gender, disability, your race, your religion, your ethnic background, your age, and that animosity is what's motivating your employer, your boss, or co-employees, or whoever is the person who is treating you poorly, that is the motivation to creating this hostile work environment. And it's a pretty high standard, and it's pretty tough to prove from case to case. It can't be single isolated incidents. It has to be, unless they're extremely serious, it has to generally be a broader pattern of conduct. And you have to be able to show that it's not just people picking on you or making fun or joking, but it has some relation to your status, that you're African American, or under Colorado law that you're gay, or that you're Jewish, or some category that gives you protection under federal or state law. And it is, it's a common misconception that just because you work in an unpleasant environment and you work with an unreasonable boss and unreasonable coworkers, that's a hostile work environment and that's some sort of legal claim. And that's simply not the case. It's really important, if you do think that you're being discriminated against at work, or that things are going on that create some hostility within the employment world, that you talk to a good lawyer, and they can help you sift through those facts and sift through what's going on to give you a better assessment of whether you really do have a claim or not.